Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to fix DEM field problem. Most of the time, uh, the experts face the problem of field DEM of their area of interest. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that problem if you face when you process hydrological analysis, right? First of all, we have to save this ArcMap window in a new folder. Save it to a new folder. Go to here and create this new folder here. DEM, or you can say watershed delineation. Watershed delineation. Okay. And then in it, here you can say DEM of your area of interest. Okay. And save it now like this. When you save it, this title changes, and then add your DEM. Add your DEM. Here it is. This is my DEM of my study area, and this is the general. My study area is found in this one, in this general DEM. So when you are going to analyze your project in a given watershed, just you have to have the extent of the general of your area of interest to include all the part of the area of interest, right? So that minimizes some errors of delineating unnecessary part and missing the necessary part, right? So in order to include necessary one and avoid unnecessary part of our watershed, we have to have this general there. Okay, the next thing is let us fill the dam. This is the concept. Uh, Before any hydrological analysis, we have to fill the dam. We have to fill any gap that exists in the dam in order to allow the flow of water from high ground to low ground, correctly. Okay, so go to the hydrological tool, sorry, the spatial analyst toolbox and hydrological set and fill tool. And here, okay, add your DEM and then go to your folder that you have created and save it there, right? We have the watershed delineation. We say that watershed delineation. Okay, watershed here, watershed delineation. But ours is let's connect to that watershed delineation. Okay, the folder that we have created. We have to connect there. Okay, this one, right? Here it is, and then write fill here. Okay, let's see what. No, you see, not delineated. It failed. All right. Next step. Let's try next step. So in order to fix that one, here them and name this field dot div. Okay, and then here environmental setting. This extent should be the DEM and snap to DEM and raster analysis and the mask by the DEM and parallel processing should be 0. Okay, and okay. Now it will fill any gap of the DEM. This is the solution, how to fix the DEM filling problem. Yeah, it is done. Okay, it is done. You see, this is a solution fix fill the problem. The next step, as you know, can go on to calculate or to compute flow direction, flow accumulation, and then the stream link, stream order, and delineate the watershed, right? And so on and so forth. Thank you for watching.